How to see old Snapchat chats. So let's get started. First of all, begin with simply opening the Snapchat app on your mobile device and just make sure that you are logged into your Snapchat account. Once inside the Snapchat app, tap on the Bitmoji icon or profile icon at the top left corner. Then simply tap on the settings icon or gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now all you have to do is scroll down and look for the My Data option available there and simply tap on it. Scroll down and look for it and simply tap on it. Now once inside the My Data, you will get to see the whole list of data's option available that you can download from the Snapchat. So we are only downloading or seeing the chat history, so you can simply uncheck the other unnecessary datas as well. But if you want to download it all, then you can keep them all. But here I'm unchecking all the unnecessary datas and only keeping the chat history. But make sure that you check on the chat history, then tap on the next option available at the bottom right corner of your screen. Then now all you have to do is choose the timeline from where you want to see the chat history of. So here I'm simply tapping in the all time. Now all you have to do is wait for a moment and the Snapchat will send you the download option in your email that is associated with your Snapchat account, and that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.